Hi food lovers, if you want your ogbono to be perfectly dry, nice and absolutely lumps free, see to the end of this secret technique. By the end of this video, you'll be making the best ogbono soup of your life. If you are looking for quick recipe, you are looking for easy recipe, cooking techniques, easy way to get your budget food done, subscribe to this channel, follow me for more video, and also share this video. Let us look at the basic recipe for this dish. First, you need to get some goat meat. Ensure you cut it into desired portions, wash, and ensure it's free from sand. Then you also need some cow intestines to prepare this dish. Get some cow intestine and then get into the pot after washing it. You also need some stockfish and ensure you use hot water to wash your stockfish and also salt to be free from sand. You also need some quantity of dry fish and also ensure you wash it with hot water, salt to also be free from sand. One of the standout recipe for this dish is the cow skin. But if you are the type that doesn't love cow skin, please, you can skip it. Ensure you wash it and cut to desired portion, then add to the pot. Then you need to add some spices and then seasoning for taste. Then by adding hot chili to it and also salt and seasoning cube. After that, you must ensure that you stir it completely to ensure that all ingredients incorporated into the protein. Always remember to steam your proteins before adding additional water. So in this case, we've mixed every ingredient together. It's time to cover the pot and then allow it to steam. As soon as it gets steamed, get additional water and then add to it and allow it to cook to ensure that the proteins are tender and soft. As soon as that is done, you need to get some crayfish and add to it. Ensure that the crayfish is grounded. And the purpose of crayfish to this dish is to bring flavor and taste to it. Give it a nice stir and then cover the pot and allow it to cook once again. Go in with your periwinkle. Periwinkle is one of my standout recipe for any dish, any traditional dish. So, but if you are the type that does not like periwinkle, please keep it. One of the standout recipe again to this dish is the fact that you need to use fresh palm oil. Emphasis of fresh palm oil. Ensure your oil is fresh. If it's not fresh, it's going to give you bad outcome. Cover the pot and leave it to steam for some time. At this point, you need to introduce your grounded ogbono. And one of the techniques to use in order not to have lumps is to put the ogbono bit by bit and consistently stirring it to ensure that it's free from lumps. As soon as that is done, if your ogbono is too thick, you can as well add additional water to it to ensure that you get to the consistency that you want it to be. Give it a nice stir to ensure that there is no lumps to it and then leave it to cook for some time. As soon as that is done, ensure that you correct your seasoning by adding some seasoning cube to it and then salt. Ensure you give it a perfect and nice stir to ensure that there is no lumps of salt and the seasoning cube. You also need to cover the pot and then allow it to cook for some time. Now it's almost time to garnish the ogbono. Remember, there are two leaves that you need to use to garnish ogbono if you are making it. Number one is ugu leaf or Uziza leaf. The second one is Uziza leaf. Now in my case, I use fresh Uziza leaf, but if you cannot have get fresh Uziza leaf in your location, you can also use the dry one. Cut it and wash it free from sand and then add it to the soup. Give it a nice stir. Your ogbono is ready. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly like, comment, and then share this video. Don't also forget to turn on the notification button. Also subscribe to this channel once again. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you in my next video.